Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS. Today we are going to discuss about Buddhist councils. After the death of Gautama Buddha, the Buddhist monastic communities have periodically convened Buddhist councils to settle doctrinal and disciplinary disputes. They are also held to revise and correct the contents of the sutras. Now coming to the first Buddhist council. It was held under the patronage of King Ajatashatruvu with monk Mahakashyapa presiding at Sattapani caves in Rajagriha. The purpose of this council is documentation of preachings of Buddha. Ananda wrote Suttapitaka, which contains the preachings of Buddha, and Upali wrote Vinayapitaka, which deals with the code of conduct. Next, second Buddhist council. It was held at Vaishali under the patronage of King Kalashoka and the presidency of Sabakami. The second council resulted in the first schism in the Sangha. Modern scholars see this event as probably caused by a group of reformists called Staviras who split from the conservative majority Mahasanghikas. So the two rival sects are Mahasangika and Theravada or Saviravada. Next, third Buddhist council. It was convened by Mauryan king Ashoka at Pataliputra, that is today's Patna, under the leadership of monk Mogaliputta Tissa. During this council, codification of Abhidhamma Pittaka was done, which dealt with Buddhist philosophy, which was written in Pali. Also, emissaries were sent to various countries in order to spread Buddhism as far as Greek kingdoms in the west. Next, fourth Buddhist council. It was held in Saraswati Vada tradition. It has been convened by Kushan Emperor Kanishka in 78 AD at Kundalavana in Kashmir. It was presided by Vasumitra. The purpose of this council is to unite 18 sects of Buddhism which were divided into Hinayana Buddhism and Mahayana Buddhism. These four Buddhist councils were held in ancient India. Later, the Theravada Buddhist councils, which were held in 1871 and 1954, are known as 5th and 6th Buddhist councils respectively. The 5th Buddhist council was held at Mandalay in Myanmar, the then called Burma. It was under the patronage of King Mindan of the Kingdom of Burma. The 5th Buddhist council was presided by Jagrabhivamsa, Narinda Bidaja and Sumangala Sami. The agenda of this council was to recite all the Buddhist learning and scrutinize them in minuscule details. Next, 6th Buddhist council. It was convened at Kaba in Rangoon, Myanmar, under the patronage of Prime Minister U Nu of Republic of Myanmar. The agenda of this council was to uphold and preserve the authentic Dhamma and Vinaya of Buddhism. Now let us discuss a question based on this. Which one of the following is not correctly matched with regard to place and patronage of Buddhist councils? 1. Pataliputra Ashoka, Kundalavana Mahakashyapa, 3. Vaishali Kalashoka, and 4. Rajagriha Ajatashatru. Option number 2 is wrong because Kundalavana is held under the patronage of King Kanishka. Thank you.